Toyota Corolla Cross, but this one is not a hybrid. And then we have over here the hybrid version. But wait a minute, these vehicles are quite different. So we're gonna do a full service of this Toyota Corolla Cross hybrid. I'll show you. We have the engine coolant system. We also have the hybrid cooling system, which is liquid cooled, of course. The air filter of this vehicle is actually the very same of the Toyota Aqua or the Prius. All right, so let's just make a quick exploring of the bottom of the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. I was really impressed with the suspension of this vehicle because it's super soft and smooth. Now continue following. We see the outlet of the high voltage battery coming right over here. Because we're gonna service the vehicle, we're gonna take off all this cover to show you what we have here. Now we have a situation. The Corolla Cross Hybrid uses the 2ZR internal combustion engine, which is traditionally this engine uses the cartridge oil filter, which I have it over here. But as you guys can see now, this engine is using the normal filter, which, because I don't trust myself, I also have it, you know, as just prevention. So let's see the difference. Well, we got the original filter, which is this one. There it is. And then we also have the cartridge, but doesn't belong to this one. And what is the condition of the internal combustion engine oil after the first 10,000 kilometers of this Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid? Oh, she's giving struggle. Now, this is the first time this oil filter goes out. Let's see. Well, it still has a little color yet. Obviously, the internal combustion engine is new. But I'm still, must say, I'm kind of surprised that this unit doesn't use the cartridge filter anymore. Which is something amazing, because that's exactly the very best high quality filter, the normal one. After 10,000 kilometers.
Yep, still looking like new.
These are precisely the difference that makes when you're using a hybrid car with an Atkinson cycle engine that doesn't give you trouble kind of crap, producing this type of thermal stress and carbon build over time. Bejma, what type of oil are we going to use to the brand new Toyota Corolla Hybrid Cross?
Amsoil Signature Series, one of the best out.
Up to 25,000 miles, which is truly amazing. But hear this, we're not going to leave your internal combustion engine oil for 25,000 miles with the same oil. That will be ridiculous, okay? So usually we change this type of oil every 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers. So we will be changing a good oil for a good oil. That's the secret for a long-lasting internal combustion engine. Already changed the filter. We put the original filter, of course. The P610. So this is the same 4th generation transaxle that uses Toyota hybrid system. The Corolla as well, the 4th gen Prius, the CHR, they all use this same transaxle, which is also liquid cool, which is great. And besides, you can see the gear selector over here. It's mechanical. Steering rack, obviously super simple because they're mechanical. Remember that this vehicle has an electric power steering. High quality, very rough cradle hours and suspension. And look at the location of the hybrid system cooling pump, which is very friendly. Has 1 and 2 radiators. You have to remember that both radiators are together. This one is the radiator for the hybrid, and this one at the top, the radiator for the internal combustion engine. A new AC compressor with the backup. Oh, it's because the compressor controller is right here in the back. Of course, if you want to service the vehicle, is just to extract this 4 little bolts, and just this cover will go. You should change your air filter every single service. We're using the very best. And there we go, with a little extra quart. That should be it. And then we're gonna use the hybrid additive from Liquid Moly.
Alright, so we're gonna add some bubble. One of the very best Prestone bubble.
Yes, of course, go ahead. Please try to avoid using water in your windshield washer, because remember, the water is pure and oxidizing. Time to start, let's go. There you go. Very easy to service the spark plugs, easy to service the fuel injection, easy to service the EGR filters. How much easier can it get? That's it. This vehicle is fully serviced. Super easy and friendly to service the brand new Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. So stick to the next video, because we're going to inspect now the hybrid system. You definitely want to see that. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips.